He's laying down, baby. He doesn't need to sit. I thought you wanted to check his teeth. How's his teeth looking there?
Really, something stuck.
Something stuck in there? If you take that treat, no, walk over by the basement door. Okay. Now call Sarge. Now lift it up high. Say sit.
Sit.
Good job.
Oh.
Oh, you checked it out now? Did you look in his ears? Don't give him another one yet. No, not yet. Now walk over the other door. Alright, lift it up high. Tell him sit.
Sit.
There. Is he all checked out?
Yep.
Okay, give him a hug. They love you.